Hey guys, don't mind the way I look. I just woke up. But today I just wanted to talk about your um, IXL that you have to do. So first of all, on your Google Classroom, I did write down the fact that yesterday's assignment was our spiral review for our pathway. So since we did not take our pathway packet, I'm just going to be doing the pathway packet online so that when we get back, we don't have to worry about our packet anymore. We're done with it. Okay. So, the first one that we did yesterday was spiral review. This one is the independent practice for similar figures, which we learned about in class before we left. So let's go to the IXL. It was 7ZR. So remember, you go to IXL, you type in the code 7ZR. And let's see. I hate how long it takes to load. So anyways, this is going to show us similar figures that are those are shapes that are alike. They're just not the same size. So one's like a bigger version or a smaller version. That's what happens. And then it has corresponding sides. So remember, like a corresponding side for something like that would get bigger is the same side on the same shape. For instance, Z up here and 1 are corresponding sides. 9 and 3 are also corresponding sides. So I'm going to use my pen real quick to try to show you what you would do to find the missing piece, the missing length of Z. So first I will set up proportional fractions like this. And then I would start setting up the corresponding sides. Now remember, you stay organized. So if you are going to use the Z and the 1 because they are corresponding sides, put them on top of each other. They could even go to the side of each other. That is a Z, by the way. I can't draw that good with my hands. Anyways, if I put Z on top, I need to go ahead and put 9 next to it because Z and 9 are from the same triangle. Trapezoid. And then if I did 1 on the bottom, I need to put 3 next to it. That looks like a rectangle. Oh, it's a trapezoid. It's not a trapezoid. It's a parallelogram. Sorry. Anyways, this is when you cross multiply and divide. Well, usually we would do the cross multiply here, but we can't because of this Z. So what we need to do is take 9 times 1, which is 9, and then divide it by that extra number that we have not used yet, 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my answer for my missing piece will be 3. Nice. And now I'm going to clear and I'm going to try one more time. So I want to show you one more time. I'm going to set up some proportional fractions on how to do this. And this time I'm going to do the same shape numbers on top of each other. Remember last time I put corresponding sides on top of each other? It's actually okay if you switch it up. So since 10 is on top, I'll have to use the corresponding side of the next shape on the top also. So R. Oh, that's supposed to be R. And then since 5 was on the bottom, I'll have to use its corresponding side on the bottom as well. And here's where we cross multiply divide. Here is our variable, so I'm not going to cross multiply that side. I'm going to cross multiply this. 10 times 1 equals 10. And then I divide by that extra number right here. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I'm going to type 2. And that is how we do this IXL. And that's all I got to show you. Oh, one more thing. If you need a calculator, there is a Google calculator just for you to kind of do the quick multiplication and stuff like that. Besides that, you should be good to go. All right, guys. If you need any help, I will be on Google Meets until 9:30 or 9:45-ish because then that's when we got to go do attendance. And then I will also be on Google Meets from 1 to 3 every day. Okay.